We've all heard the buzz about artificial general intelligence, AGI, the ultimate goal of AI development. Imagine a machine that thinks, learns, and understands just like a human. It sounds like something from the distant future, but many believed it was closer than ever. However, recent tests have revealed something shocking. Even the top AI models today are still a far cry from achieving AGI. In today's video, we'll explore the latest groundbreaking test that has exposed the limitations of current AI, why AGI is still a fantasy for now, and what this means for the future of artificial intelligence. Let's dive in. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, has been the holy grail of AI development for years. Unlike the specialized AI we use today, which is great at specific tasks like playing chess, translating languages, or recommending products, AGI would be capable of anything a human can do. Think of it like the character of Data from Star Trek or the intelligent machines from The Matrix. Machines with a mind, capable of reasoning, understanding complex contexts, and adapting to completely new environments. AGI is the dream of creating a machine with general-purpose intelligence that can think critically, learn new skills on its own, and solve problems across a variety of domains. The goal of AGI is that it can seamlessly shift between tasks, just like a human, but we're not there yet, not even close. The recent test that made headlines was a benchmark challenge designed to evaluate the real-world reasoning ability of today's top AI models, and the results? Disappointing, to say the least. The test involved a series of problem-solving tasks, requiring AI to not just complete specific instructions, but to think logically, adapt to new situations, and process information in a way that mimicked human reasoning. It's the kind of test that should be a key indicator of whether an AI system is truly on the path to AGI. Top AI models, some of the most advanced systems in the world, were put through their paces. These included highly touted models like GPT-4, Google's Bard, and other cutting-edge AI systems. The outcome? Despite performing well on certain tasks, these models failed to tackle more complex, abstract problems that require a deep understanding of context, subtle reasoning, and creative problem-solving. They struggled with tasks that required flexibility or general knowledge, revealing one glaring truth. These models, for all their advanced capabilities, are still operating within very narrow, pre-programmed boundaries. In short, they still can't think or reason like humans. But why did these top-tier AI models fail such a simple-sounding test? The answer lies in their core design. Let's break it down. Narrow specialization. Most AI systems today, including those we call advanced, are designed to excel in specific areas. They're extremely good at tasks they've been trained on, like predicting text or identifying patterns in data. But when faced with tasks that involve flexibility, creative thinking, or a deep understanding of the world, they hit a wall. These models don't have the common sense or contextual awareness that humans do, lack of true understanding. Even though these models can generate impressive responses, they don't understand the information the way humans do. They lack the depth of knowledge, emotional intelligence, and self-awareness necessary for true reasoning. This becomes apparent when tasks require nuanced thinking, empathy, or abstract concepts, things that humans naturally do but are incredibly difficult for AI to replicate. Pre-programmed biases. Many AI models rely heavily on historical data to generate their responses. This data can be biased, incomplete, or just not reflective of every possible scenario. When AI encounters something outside of its training data, it struggles to adapt, making it unable to handle novel situations in the way a human would. Despite the tremendous advancements in AI, we're still far from achieving AGI. The recent failures in this test highlight several major hurdles. The complexity of human cognition, human intelligence, is deeply tied to our biology, emotions, and lived experiences. We learn through context, experience, and social interaction. AI, on the other hand, learns by processing data and recognizing patterns. While it can replicate certain aspects of human intelligence, it still lacks that crucial layer of emotional and social learning that is a cornerstone of AGI. The need for generalization. AGI requires the ability to generalize knowledge across domains. Right now, AI is like a super smart calculator. It can calculate better than any human, but it doesn't truly understand the math. Generalization is the key to achieving AGI, and current models simply aren't there yet. Ethical and safety concerns, even if we could somehow develop AGI, we're not ready to handle its implications. What happens when a machine becomes smarter than humans? How do we ensure it aligns with human values? How do we prevent AI from causing harm, intentionally or unintentionally? The ethical questions around AGI are still vast and unresolved. So, where does AI go from here? The dream of AGI isn't dead, but it's still a distant one. For now, AI models are evolving in their specialization, getting better at specific tasks and improving the efficiency of industries like healthcare, finance, and entertainment. AI's strengths lie in automation, data analysis, and pattern recognition, not in abstract thought or consciousness. But that doesn't mean we won't continue to push the boundaries. Researchers are exploring new ways to build more flexible and adaptable AI systems, focusing on multimodal learning, the ability for AI to process and integrate multiple types of data, as well as models that can better simulate human cognition. The key takeaway: AGI is still a fantasy, but AI's future is more exciting than ever. Even if we haven't cracked AGI yet, the potential for AI to revolutionize our world in other ways is limitless. The dream of AGI might be out of reach for now, but that doesn't mean AI's potential is exhausted. We're seeing incredible breakthroughs in AI every day, just not the kind that can reason like a human. Yet. As we continue to develop more specialized AI systems, the path toward AGI may become clearer, but for now, we can be sure of one thing: AGI is still a fantasy.